Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys how to transform your very old abandoned wigs into like very luscious pretty wigs. And if you want to see how I get this wig looking from this to this, make sure you watch till the end of the video, and also there is a surprise at the end of the video. So don't forget to share this video with your friends, subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the comment section. Okay, so this is what we are working with. As you saw from the intro, this hair was sent to me by a client, and I just have to ask first of all, like, hello girls, why do you leave your hair to get to this level? Like, sis, are you having issues? Like, hello, there are so many products you could use for your daily hair care, and I'm just really disappointed because this is a whole dreadlock wig situation we have on here. Anyway, so for this I'm going to be using this Magic Healing Max, and again this is more of the dreadlocks wig. Like, hello, this is a full wrapper, or I don't believe in stereotypes, but this is like a full Jamaican dreadlock situation going on. Anyways, for this video I'm going to be using the easy way out. These days my life is all about ease. Like, if there's actual shortcut you can use to improve your methods, I will be there. So I'm going to put the healing max in hot water. I'm literally just trying this technique out because you know how people just use hot water videos for so many things. I have a couple of hot water hair color, hot water hair bleach situation, and right now I'm going to use hot water hair max situation. I even have like a hot water straightener video. That one is crazy. So yes, anyways, so this is what I am doing. I'm just going to put the hair in water like this because this product is really enriched with a lot of moisture and fats and proteins and rich stuff. It's going to not like dilute in water easily, and yeah, you get the whole drill. Anyways, right now I'm just going to soak the hair because as you could see, I could not even run even like the biggest comb through the hair. So first off, I had to soften the curls and loosen the hair and just hope for the best. So you need very hot boiling water for this. I don't know why my hands are even in the water. It's supposed to be boiling hot. I guess it's not that hot, but yeah, just soak your wig in the water and then just like let it sit for a very long period of time, as much as it can sit down in. I think I left mine for like an hour, like 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'm going in with my Denman brush and I'm trying to separate the curls. I'm going in with this other brush and a comb. Like, sis, do you see all the like the tools I used for this one little wig? Anyways, it was totally worth it at the end. So I'm just going to go ahead with the comb and I'm going to try my best with separating the hair. And let me just tell you this first of all, if your hair reaches this level, shame on you, big fat shame on you. But I get it, I totally understand, and this is the reason why I went ahead and I decided to make my own hair products, because they are very easy to use, you don't need so many rules, and they give you excellent results. So if you want to try my hair products, it is very simple. Check in the description box on how you can get a free sample, and then you can hit me up on any of my socials and then we can talk. Or if you want to buy the full experience, sure, go ahead and like buy it. Anyways, as you can see, I went back and I put some more conditioner on the hair, and then I put it in the bag and I left it for a couple of days. Yes, I said it correctly, I left it for a whole day. Anyways, I was busy so I didn't get to wash it. So I came back and I let it dry and I combed it and I did some more combing. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and this is like at the third round of combing because I tried detangling it off camera first to see if there was actually any hope for the hair. Because when you start filming these experimental videos, you always expect, like, you always wait and hope for the best, but sometimes you have to be real. So yeah, it's just like a time lapse of me combing and tugging and twisting and battling with the hair. Like, this fight was a very serious fight and I'm just glad that I won in the end. So as you can see, It was very good quality hair, even though the client lets it stay that much. And also there was a lot of shedding. So this is what our hair looks like after all the combing and the tugging and the everything. And we're going to move to the next stage of the hair care products and whatnot. So now we have a very cute afro. I mean, like, I'm feeling her afro vibes. I'm going to go in with the Miss Inua Curls Popping Hydrating Mist, and I am going to spray and spray and spray and spray. Like, your hair needs to be really super hydrated. An easy way for those of you who want to save more money on the hair is actually to just go in with some water, just a little bit of water, and then you can seal the water with your hydrating mist, because all what you need is actually in the hydrating mist. But I'm just saying, for the sake of those of you who let's say on a budget and you don't want to use up all of the product, because trust me, it is very good. So if you don't want to use up all of the products, you can go ahead and spray your hair with water first, and then you use the product as a sealant. Anyways, I would have done that here, but I just wanted to show you guys how transformative the product is. So here I am going in with more spritzing and spraying. Like, seriously, my hair loves this formula. My hair is living for this week. Okay, so on my left, yes, my left, yes, I have sprayed enough of the hydrating mist, and as you can see, my curls are popping already. Like, the curls are actually popping. And then on the other side, I am yet to like go in and spray. Like, I'm just giving it another spray and another try and whatnot. You get the drill, people. Like, you totally get the drift. Okay, so right now I'm going to go in with my curl activating custard. This custard is for situations where you have curly hair but you want the curls to be really like intense. Okay, so you go in with this, and I know that people are going to be like, what is the difference between the curl activator and the hydrating mist? It's actually the formula. Like, the formulas are different, and obviously you're going to get different results. Before, the curls were okay, but after applying the curl activating custard, the curls are much more defined, and you can really see how they are beginning to pop. Like, see the difference, the left and the right, those are like two different situations going on. Okay, so I went ahead and I just put it all over the hair, and also I'm using a Denman brush. For these Denman brushes are the designated brushes for curly hair. It makes your curls really nice and cute. So definitely buy a Denman brush if you love curly hair. You're going to enjoy the whole experience. I thought they were faking it until I actually got myself one, and I was living for it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and brush the hair and just keep brushing it to make sure that everything is tangle free and everything is cute and easy. And honestly, I'm really proud of myself. Like, did you see the beginning of this video? Did you see the wig? Do you see how far we have come? Like, hello, this is cute. Okay, so the hair looks quite juicy and curly, and honestly, like, just badass. If you do want to see how you can get these products for free, check the link in the description box. I'm going to link everything down below so that you go ahead and you can get the product for free. But if you do want to get the product for yourself, like to buy the whole set and everything, there is also like a link to my Instagram shop where you can go and get it. So this is the before. Like, see how this wig looks annoying and everything, and now this is a side-by-side comparison so that you can actually see how well the product worked and how much work I put into this video, so that it's not going to be like, hey, this is a lie. Like, you literally saw the live video. And here are the products again. Like I said before, go check them out. Check the description box. We have come to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow instructions. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.